Best oven. Number 5. Panasonic 20-liter solo microwave oven. Approx price 5,790 rupees. 20-liter capacity. Suitable for bachelors and small families. Power plus innovation. 800 watts of high power for fast. Microwave controls 51 pre-auto cook menu items. Control touch keypad. Warranty 1 year on product. Number 4. Samsung 28-liter Convection microwave oven. Approx price 11,590 rupees. 28-liter suitable for large families. Control touch keypad. Child safety lock. Preheat auto programs. 1 year standard warranty on product. 5 years warranty on magnetron. 10 years warranty on ceramic enamel cavity. Number 3. Agaro Marvel 48 liters oven toaster griller. Approx price 6,842 rupees. Motorized roti serai with forks, 3 heating modes, top heating, bottom heating, top and bottom heating. Adjustable temperature from 100 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Automatic thermostat, auto shut off, ready bell. Heat resistant tempered glass window. Power consumption 2000 watts. Operating voltage 230 volts, 50 Hz. 1 year manufacturer's warranty. Number 2. Philips HD 69750 25-liter digital oven toaster grill. Grey 25-liter. Approx price 6,746 rupees. Capacity 25 liters. Small for 4-5 people. Cooking capability, baking, grilling, toasting. Powerful 1500 watt. Ready signal, optic temperature technology. 1 touch 10 preset menu. 2 years warranty on product. Number 1. Bajaj 1603T 16-liter oven toaster grill. Approx price 3,699 rupees. Temperature control range 0 to 250 degrees Celsius. Cooking capability, baking, grilling, toasting. Timer with auto shut off. Element selection switch. Capacity 16 liters. Suitable for 2-3 people. Powder coated and stainless steel body. Wattage 1200 watt. Warranty 2 years. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.